sound like you. And the first thing we hear is,
slide down.
Slide down, slide down.
Yes.
Thank you, I can't slide down, I'm stuck to the paper. You slide up, I'm paying. Wouldn't it be nice if they had one of those conveyor belts like they have at the grocery store? Scam this.
Yeah.
But men, you don't understand this because you go to the proctologist.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can we talk? I dated a proctologist. He picked me up in his new car, the Probe. All evening, bottoms up, bottoms up. But the worst thing was, when the check came, he reached in his pocket. He pulled out his rectal thermometer, and he said, damn it, some asshole has my pen. Dating is tough. I date the young and stupid or as old as dirt. I date a guy who was young and stupid, stupid, stupid. We're walking down the lobby. He saw a sign that said, wet floor. He did. I dated a guy, he was so old.
How old was he?
He was so old. We were sitting in the back of the limo. He tried to give me a hickey. He left his teeth in my neck. It's because I have no sex appeal. No sex appeal. A peeping Tom saw me and threw me a bathrobe. He came in and pulled down the shade. It's tough, tough. But you know, I just take a moment right now and let's thank the Crest Theater.
Yes.